Hello.
Hello.
Oh, the things birds eat.
The things birds eat.
Do birds eat alohas?
No.
Do birds eat mahalos?
No.
Do birds eat cola? No. Let's see.
The birds eat
Let's
some
check.
fish.
Birds eat many things.
Birds eat many things.
Birds eat worms.
Birds eat worms.
Birds eat caterpillars.
Birds eat caterpillars.
Caterpillars.
Caterpillar.
Birds eat seeds.
Birds
Seeds.
eat seeds.
Birds eat sap.
Sap.
That's like the sticky stuff on trees. Birds eat nectar.
Nectar.
That's sweet sugar from the flowers. Birds eat berries.
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 Ooh. Birds eat lizards.
Lizards.
Wow. Birds eat frogs.
Frogs.
What else do they eat? You want to see?
Fish.
Fish.
Oh, birds eat mice. Birds eat fish.
Oh.
What do you think the last thing birds eat? What do you think?
I don't know. Frog.
Frogs?
Everything.
Birds even eat starfish.
Huh?
That's
Starfish.
unbelievable. One more time. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Nice job.